Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect EE Hybrid Connect. First, carefully unpack your new device and ensure all components, including the power adapter and SIM card, are present. Next, locate the SIM card slot, usually on the side or bottom, and gently insert your EE SIM card until it clicks into place. Finally, connect the power adapter to the device and plug it into a wall outlet, preparing for the next steps. For optimal performance, place your EE Hybrid Connect device in a central location within your home, ideally near a window to enhance mobile signal reception. Avoid placing it in enclosed spaces or near large metal objects, which can interfere with the signal. Once positioned, press the power button and wait for approximately 1 minute for the indicator lights to stabilize, signifying it's ready for connection. Now let's connect your devices. On the back or bottom of your EE Hybrid Connect, you'll find a label displaying the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the unique Wi-Fi password. On your computer, smartphone, or tablet, open your Wi-Fi settings, search for the network name, select it, and then enter the password to establish a secure connection. You can connect up to 64 devices. If you encounter any issues, first try repositioning your device to a different spot, perhaps closer to a window, to improve signal strength. A simple restart of both your Hybrid Connect and your connected devices can often resolve minor glitches. For more advanced configurations, you can access the device's web interface by typing its IP address, typically found on the label, into your web browser. This allows for fine-tuning your network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.